How to verify Alipay account without Chinese ID. Now in this very quick video, I'll show you how you can verify your Alipay account without using a Chinese ID. This is definitely doable. So first things first is once you pull up the application, you can definitely verify your Alipay account without using any types of Chinese ID as long as you have fully verified the phone number for you to be able to log into Alipay. So this is the first method. You just need to input your phone number, tap on next, you'll receive a one-time password or a code, input it here, and you will automatically be redirected into your Alipay account. Now, the most efficient way for you to alternatively verify your Alipay account without Chinese ID is to use a physical passport, which is the only legally accepted form of identification for foreign nationals to unlock standard account features. And that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to verify Alipay account without Chinese ID.